Our waste refrigerator recycling and processing line is designed to efficiently handle the recycling of discarded refrigerators, consisting of two main components: the pre-treatment section and the shredding, crushing, and sorting system. Pre-treatment section. We focus on ensuring safe and efficient handling of hazardous materials before the recycling process begins. The first step involves manual disassembly, where skilled technicians carefully remove the refrigerant from each refrigerator. This crucial step not only prevents environmental contamination but also ensures compliance with safety regulations. Once the refrigerant is extracted, technicians proceed to extract the compressor. They drill holes in the compressor casing to allow for oil drainage, effectively removing any remaining fluids. Following this, a plasma cutting machine is employed to safely open the compressor casing, providing access to valuable internal components. One of the key features of our pre-treatment process is the use of a copper extraction machine. This specialized equipment efficiently retrieves copper from the compressor stator, significantly increasing the recovery rate and profitability of the disassembled parts. Additionally, our refrigerant recovery system, which includes vacuum pumps, oil separation tanks, and refrigerant storage tanks, ensures that all refrigerants are processed safely and responsibly, ready for reuse or proper disposal. Shredding, crushing, and sorting system. Once the pre-treatment is complete, the refrigerator body moves into the shredding, crushing, and sorting system. This advanced phase begins with shredding, where the entire refrigerator is fed into a robust shredder that breaks it down into smaller, manageable pieces. This initial shredding prepares the materials for efficient processing in subsequent stages. Following shredding, the material undergoes secondary crushing to further reduce its size, ensuring uniformity for effective sorting. The crushed materials then pass through a series of sophisticated sorting technologies. Magnetic separation is utilized to extract ferrous metals like iron, ensuring that they are effectively separated from non-metal components. Eddy current separators are then employed to recover non-ferrous metals such as copper and aluminum, maximizing the value of recycled materials. Additionally, an air classification system separates lighter materials like foam and plastic, which can be processed and reused in various applications. To maintain a clean working environment and prevent dust accumulation, our system is equipped with pulse dust collectors, ensuring efficient operation without compromising air quality. This complete shredding, crushing, and sorting system processes 50 to 60 refrigerators per hour, making it highly efficient for large-scale operations. By effectively recovering valuable materials like foam, plastic, iron, and metals, our waste refrigerator recycling and processing line not only supports sustainable practices but also meets the growing demand for responsible recycling solutions. The recycling of waste refrigerators presents significant opportunities for sustainable resource management. As global awareness of electronic waste and environmental issues increases, the demand for efficient recycling solutions continues to grow. Our advanced processing line not only helps reduce landfill waste but also minimizes the extraction of new raw materials, supporting a circular economy. Investing in our waste refrigerator recycling and processing line is not only beneficial for profitability but also crucial for promoting environmental sustainability. By effectively recovering valuable materials from discarded refrigerators, we contribute to a greener future while meeting the increasing regulatory demands for responsible waste management.